I thought I would give you a different view to look at this morning, and I would also show you that we're not perfect here at the Byrd house. Look at my table. It has junk all over it, but that's okay. That's just the way we live, and if someone pulls up my driveway, I just have a basket I throw it in, so no big deal. This morning we're going to throw together a crock pot meal and make that super easy because my house needs a little attention. So here we go. We're gonna get started on that crock pot meal.
First, we're going to slice up 2 bell peppers. The color doesn't really matter. I have a red and an orange one here. And this is a hack that I saw how to cut up a bell pepper. This was a game changer for me. I always cut the top off and would pull the middle out and wash it. But this is so easy. I love, love, love this hack. So I wanted to share that with you. So that's 2 bell peppers sliced, 1 medium or large yellow onion sliced, and then we are going to put this in the crock pot. I did oil that crock pot before I put this in. You can't convince me that eating something that's been cooked in plastic is good for you, but you do you. I'm using 3 frozen chicken breasts that I actually washed, but they are frozen, and lay those on top of your onions and bell peppers. Now we are going to add some fajita seasoning, and I made my own. You can use a fajita seasoning pack if you'd like, but I will include the fajita seasoning mix recipe that I mix up, and this actually saves you money in the long run. If you'll mix it up yourself, you won't have to buy those packets. Put a lid on this, and we are going to turn this crock pot on low and cook it for 6 to 8 hours. I actually cooked it for 7. We love these tortillas. We find them at Publix, a different brand, and this brand came from Aldi's, and we like these a lot better. These are so soft. There's 4 grams of net carbs, high in fiber, no trans fat, 0 cholesterol. I mean, how do you go wrong with that? These are great for recipes. And voila, this fajita seasoning mix is so much better than the packet. The chicken just falls apart, and this chicken will melt in your mouth. These are so good. That's how easy it is to make fajitas.